So let's get into the installation. This whole process probably took me about 15 minutes. And it has step-by-step installation guide, which really just made this incredibly simple. Overall, their aim with the lock is safe, simple for the whole family, and really does start with the installation. Once you have the front on, screws attached, you do have 3 different plugs that you'll need to attach. This was probably the hardest part, and that's because I have some fat fingers. But once I got those in, it was super simple to continue. Everything just fits in perfect. And honestly, all you need is a screwdriver. While I finish up installation, I want to go over a little bit of the technology that's actually used in this smart lock. So they use something called a touchless Pheno key palm vein unlock. So this technology is designed for people of all ages and captures a unique vein pattern within your skin of your palm for identification. So it's using AI to AE exposed algorithms to achieve up to 99.9% accuracy and stable recognition in less than 100 milliseconds. So basically the technology adapts to various gestures and lighting conditions. So this ensures high accuracy and reduced false recognition rate to 0.01%.